What's going on, guys? This is my boy Glitchbox here, and today we're gonna do another YTP we're gonna do another YTP of Elf. So I like Alpha. I saw on Max in Alpha. I like that movie. He was saying like Santa. Yep. So anyway, all right, guys. So we're gonna do a YTP. So this one is called Elf That Got Fire on MEEMSMAS, and it's uploaded by Vomeans. So this is uploaded by Vomeans. So why am I watching inappropriate stuff? What are their C word and S word in censoring the F word? Yeah. Why am I watching inappropriate? So I will censor it. Yeah. So alright guys. So we're gonna waste one more time together. Let's do it. Guy? You know, I'm not gonna read it.
Hello. We're probably here about the great disturbance in the force. I fear some disturbance happened in the force. Probably hear about the story. Elves tell stories. I bet you did.
Oh, wait, was that Rick Astley?
Elves
Yeah, wait. Rick Astley? Oh god, it's Rick Astley, yeah.
About elves, is there? No.
Yeah.
Another interesting.
Why is he talking rainbow? Why is it rainbow?
Ism.
Lazy fuck. Couldn't even make it.
Oh.
You can bake cookies in a tree.
Oh.
You can bake in a tree. The third job.
Why is he screaming with that? Wait.
You can bake in a tree. The third job.
Oh, it's so funny.
Some call it the shit show, or the big, or the big.
Whoa.
It's the profession that every elf.
Fucking hate it! It's full of dickheads! yeah! Once of this one, I'm fucking pissed off!
Wow.
Santa's work.
Stop.
It's left till Christmas.
Wow.
They tried using gnomes, but the gnomes drank too much. No human being has ever
The gnome.
set foot in Santa's work.
Sack.
Let's say. Oh god, wait, is he gonna say Santa? Santa! What the hell? Whoa.
Shush. This time with the extra screws, it's good fast.
8. Oh. What the? Team Fortress? Yeah. 8. Oh wait, what's this? This glass? That's what the is oh, what says like inappropriate stuff. I'm not gonna say that.
You're fired!
He's a fire. No! Yeah, that's all. He'll scream and say no. Alright, so. Oh. What did they say? Whoa!
World's best cup of shit. Everybody.
Oh god! Oh my god! Now she crashed.
You see gum on the street.
Don't eat the gum. Don't eat the gum. Don't eat the gum. Ew! Oh. He just disappeared in the elevator? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh god. Oh.
How you doing? Fine.
Whoa!
Haven't seen you since the retreat.
Stop saying the F word.
She wants to
Oh.
know how a certain and a certain escaped the club of a certain.
Oh.
Minus 8!
Oh yeah. Oh god.
Minus 8!
Whoa! What? Wait, what was that in the cup? Was that gasoline in the cup? What the heck? See, look! Gasoline again!
Minus 8! Minus 8!
He's like, what you say? Yeah.
That's not happening.
Money say. Oh my god! Oh god. That was so funny. He just heard he cracked his back in the stairs. He was like, "Wah!" Yeah. Yeah, I've been saying, "Ah!" Yeah.
Hey! Have you seen these toilets? They're giant.
This toilet? Wait, what's it says? What it says? I will not make the damn Skibidi toilet joke. Oh, come on! Skibidi toilet! Can't skip that joke. I reacted to Skibidi toilet. I reacted to Skibidi toilet. Can't skip that joke. Oh, yep. Can't skip that joke about this joking toilet. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Come here! Yeah! Just walk away! Wow! Stop saying. Shut up, you Esther.
What's this?
The North Pole, of course.
No, it's not.
That's an Polar Express. In the North Pole, of course.
That is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the smells?
Oh.
Wait, I just like to smile. Smile out. Right there.
Make
Christmas crab.
That's your favorite.
Christmas crab. Christmas crab.
Put it down.
Christmas crab. Christmas crab. Christmas crab.
Oh god! Christmas cat! Yeah.
Sorry, put it
Christmas
down.
cat! Christmas cat!
Okay, people. Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Okay, Santa's
Santa! Oh yeah, a song! Party time! Party Christmas time! Oh my god! I'm dancing with my dad.
I know him.
What the heck? He just Oh god. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Yeah, alright, oh god, the video's over already. Alright, now it's over. Oh god, now it's over. Alright guys, so if you like to join this button and smash that thumbs up and the subscribe below and click the bell and use it. Have a good day, see ya, have a good one. Bye.